replacement for Shein. I have finally found it. Everything I have purchased and everything I'm going to talk about today is bought by me. Hi honey buns, so do you want to know what is my replacement for Shein? I have finally found it. So मैं Stock by Love और Koofs ये सारी sites गई, but the vibe was not matching as was the affordability factor of Shein. लेकिन अब Shein बंद हो चुका है and we are not supposed to buy from there, right? So you won't be seeing any Shein hauls on my channel at least for quite a while, जब तक के government इसको open नहीं कर देता. So in the process मैं बहुत ढूंढती फिरी, मैंने Koofs की website को पहले भी try किया था. I really didn't like it. The vibe was not matching mine. Stock by Love also I didn't really like it. इसीलिए आपको ये सारे websites के videos मेरे channel पे बहुत कम मिलेंगे. In fact मिलेंगे ही नहीं. And I am not selling these things for free by the brand कि आप हमारा प्रचार कीजिए. So everything I have purchased and everything I'm going to talk about today is bought by me and these experiences are my own. So you need to keep watching and let's get started. Alright, so ये जो site है ये है urbanic.com. So ये है parcel. This is from Urbanic. See the packing, it's so gorgeous. Like this beautiful, I hope यहाँ पे मेरा address नहीं है नहीं. So this is like so pretty. ये जो golden color का ये है. तो ये जो site है, I went on this and I shopped there and I am so happy to say कि ये इसका vibe जो है बिल्कुल Shein से match करता है. It's got the same kind of clothes, the same like trendy yet affordable yet like very very good clothes which are very wearable and if you want the like funky types वो भी बहुत है वहाँ पे. So affordability is also a factor because Shein was like really affordable और इस साइट पे मुझे बिल्कुल उसी टाइप के क्लोथ्स मिले. तो मैंने एक और सिर्फ एक पहले आइटम ट्राई किया because I had never tried this site before and I'm happy to say कि ये काफ़ी जल्दी आ गया और मेरा ऑर्डर जो था बहुत it was a COD order, so thankfully they take CODs and this is item which I got from there. This is just one because like I said मुझे पहले try करना था. Like Urbanic, before I tell you guys anything about this, I need to try it out. I need to like make sure the fabric कैसा है, quality कैसी है, delivery कैसी है, क्या है, all those things. So it comes. Oh, they sent me something else. So it comes in this very beautiful golden bag. और उन्होंने कुछ और भेजा है यहाँ पे. I'll just check what this is. I have not tried this, but I'm going to try it with you now. So this is the very beautiful bag it comes in. और इसके साथ उन्होंने एक ये क्या है? They sent this little envelope thing. We'll see what's inside. और ये है ऐसे बैग में आता है ये. And this is I don't know what I ordered to the sweatery kind of a thing, but I really loved the style. तो ये कितने का था? I don't remember. It's like a sweater. मैंने ये like मुंबई में स्वेटर बट लाइक आई रियली लाइक्ड इट सो आई प्रॉब्ली हैव टू वेयर इट इन द विंटर्स नाउ. तो ये मैंने मंगाया था एंड इट्स गॉट दिस स्लीव थिंगी और ये प्राइस क्या था इसका? दिस वाज फॉर 1590. सो दिस कम्स इन 3 कलर्स, ब्लैक, रेड और ये. और मुझे ये जो था इसका लाइक आई रियली रियली लाइक दिस. ये जो डिटेलिंग है ना नीचे की, आई रियली रियली लाइक दिस. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव डाउनलोडेड दिस ऐप जो है ऑफ Urbanic और ये है मेरा ऑर्डर. सो let me just try and show this to you if you can get it. So this is my order 1590 का था और let's just check out कि इसमें क्या है. What have I gotten this? It's just Urbanic का. Okay, thanks for shopping with us. 300 reward code. Oh, valid for 45 days from the date of delivery. So ये expire हो चुका है. I got a code for $300 off. तो ये अभी expire हो गया है unfortunately because obviously lockdown था. I am going to order another one. I have checked another piece जो मैं अभी आपके साथ order करूँगी. So guys, I really like this. ये जो maxi है, it's so beautiful. I'll just share it with you guys and like so pretty. तो इसको मैं अभी करूँगी order. This is for 1490. And if you want me to make a video like I used to do for Shein, तो definitely मुझे please comments में बताइएगा. इस वाले को तो मैं add to back कर रही हूँ and I will. There we go. So इसको कर देंगे हम. You have to choose the sizes and इसके आगे you can wait for me to receive this and stay tuned क्योंकि मैं इसका भी आपको पूरा बताऊंगी ये कैसा था. It's looking so pretty over here. अभी हम लोग देखेंगे बाद में कि like ये रियलिटी में कैसा होता है. So stay tuned for that. I'll give you a whole overview of like ये फैब्रिक कैसा था, फिट कैसा था, etc etc. So this is a very pretty thing. A very beautiful dress which I have ordered and this is इसका जो साइट का navigation है that is not as easy as Shein, and a couple of things are not like Shein. Like Shein पे if you press on a single dress, they'll give you a lot of, you know, a lot of options of the same kind. So these guys don't really work that way, or do they? They do, but it's not like as easy. The navigation is not as easy and it's not as smooth as Shein. In fact, इसके ट्रांजिशन में मुझे काफ़ी तकलीफ हो रही थी, like थोड़ा मुश्किल पड़ रहा था. But all said and done, the site is really nice. They have some really nice things. In fact, आपसे बात करते करते I found something. So I'm going to order a couple of things here and I will get back to you. इनके size charts हैं, definitely उसको देखिए. Make sure that you go to each size if you order. Like go to medium, check the medium. Go to large, check the large, because they are all different. So this is what I ordered. I really liked it. Fabric is not at all cheap. It is जैसे expect किया था मैंने, उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है. So I really like it. ये inside out है. So I really like it, and I think I am going to order a couple of more things from these guys. And you please do stay tuned अगर आपको देखना है मेरा next order कैसा होता है, because अब lockdown उठ चुका है and we'll get to know exactly how this website functions. So stay tuned for that one, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye. Okay, so ये जो website है, what? ये सायरन्स यार, बिल्कुल वीडियो फिल्म करते टाइम में there has to be a siren, has to be. Go away. Anyways, get well soon, please. Alright, so this is a parcel which is